Do you have any Japanese papers? Do you have any Japanese papers? What kind of soft drinks do you have? What kind of soft drinks do you have? Can you put this bag up there? Can you put this bag up there? Would you like more coffee? Would you like more coffee? Can you take my tray away? Can you take my tray away? I feel sick. I feel sick. Are we arriving on schedule? Are we arriving on schedule? What kind of movies can we watch? What kind of movies can we watch? How do you turn on the reading light? How do you turn on the reading light? Fasten your seatbelt, please. Fasten your seatbelt, please. Good job! Please take a look down below for all 10 phrases. If you are on your phone, please click the title of the video to open up the description box. Thank you so much for watching. To listen to the recordings again, click the I on top. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Listening to the sentences repeatedly is a very effective learning strategy, and you'll find yourself really improving. Thank you again, and please be sure to subscribe to this channel.